Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move today. We can do that. We're joined by Bloomberg's Avalon Purnell. Avalon, what are you looking at?
Yeah, I would start off with Stubhub. That's ticker STUB. It's tumbling about 12%, actually touched a record low earlier today as well, after the ticket resellers' 2026 forecast and also fourth quarter results fell short of expectations. Analysts say that it was pretty difficult to make comparisons given there wasn't a Taylor Swift tour to boost sales this year. And it's also important to note that the company is facing regulatory risk kind of all around, as New York and California lawmakers are considering placing a cap on resale prices. And across the pond, the UK has decided to pass laws to ban the selling of tickets above face value.
What about Stubhub? That's a similar kind of company.
Oh, well, with Stubhub as well, they also got like 2 downgrades, but yeah.
All right, how about Victoria's Secret?
Yeah, Victoria's Secret, that's ticker VSCO. It fell about 12%. That's the most since April, after, despite the fact that it had earnings that topped, guidance that topped, basically ignoring that, there's just the free cash flow projection that fell short. And analysts are saying across the board that despite the fact that it was good, it just wasn't good enough. Guggenheim said there was a pretty large run-up in expectations ahead of the report, and that could explain the market pressure that it's facing. I do want to point out, though, that management did mention that they are expecting some shipment delays, given the conflict in Iran. Yesterday, we heard some similar commentary from Abercrombie, so that's definitely a potential risk that we should keep an eye on for consumer stocks.
Yep. Broadcom, one more.
Yeah, Broadcom, ticker AVGO, that's up about 4% today. Still, the shares remain down about 20% from its December record high, as investors continue to remain skeptical of the sustainability of the capital being thrown towards AI stocks. But that being said, they did report a first quarter results that beat expectations basically across the board. And everyone is very happy about the CEO saying that he expects AI chip sales to top $100 billion.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.